Hi guys, welcome back to Lovely Treasures. I just wanted to come on here and give you a visual on 3 items today. I'm trying to keep these videos shorter, so this way you're not getting bored with stuff that you're not interested in. So we'll keep them short and to the point, and let's see what we got here. We have the Avon ring. It is a size 10, so I'm going to show you this. If you could see the size 10 here, I already measured it. It is exactly a size 10. I don't know if you could see that. Focus camera. Very pretty ring. It has the little like diamond cuts, like a marcasite style. Very pretty, with like a ruby stone. Now this is Avon, and it's from anywhere between 1998 to 2004 or 5. So definitely vintage, and it is from Avon, and a very pretty ring. I believe they use these rings on the pointer fingers or the middle finger. So, size 10, Avon. And it's on Etsy, eBay, loveleegd.com. And here we have, let's see, the Season Greetings Winter Sleigh Ride with the Horses winter scene. And it is a Christmas ornament made in the USA, fine pewter, 1990. Downs Collection Showcase First Edition. Very pretty. That's very pretty. There we go. It's got some weight to it also. But there we go. Christmas ornaments. I sell Christmas all year long. Now, let's see. Last thing we're going to show you is the granny bag. We have, these are new. This is from a pallet that was an Overstock pallet. Everything that, and whenever I get pallets, just so you know, when I get pallets, I only get pallets that are Overstock, new in package. There are no returns. So I don't deal with anything that's returns. I only get new in package from Overstock. And this is one of them. I believe we have 3 or 4 of these left. We have sold many of them. But Mother's Day is coming, and I thought, you know what? Let me give a close-up visual on it. I don't think I did in my unboxing. So it says important granny stuff, mainly snacks, actually. And that print is on both sides. Move this guy out of the way. And that's really cute. It's canvas. So it's a canvas material. Canvas cord handles. Really strong, hefty handles. Nice material. Nice, sturdy, strong canvas. Black canvas on the bottom. The white canvas on top. Very nice. It's a nice size. Let's open it up. Let me get this out of the way. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty deep. Let me open it up. All right, that's pretty deep. Wow, it's taking up the whole camera. Look at that. That's a deep... Let's see. Let's measure this thing. I mean, look at that. Wow, I don't think you can see that. Look at the size of that. That's pretty big. This is actually a nice size too. All right, let's see how wide it is at the bottom. About 7 inches wide. Let's see the side here. How wide is the sides? About the same, a little bit more. About 7, almost 8, 7 3/4. And let's see how wide the whole thing is. Let's see if we can see it here. Okay, I have a 3-foot yardstick and it's metal, so it gets in my way here. A little bit more, 16.5 inches. About 16.5 up to the black. Yep, 16.5 inches wide. And let's see. The handles are about 7 inches, so between the handles, the top of the handles to the bottom of the bag is about 19 inches in total. 12.5 just on that. That's really good. That's a really nice size bag. So, there you go. Sorry, my table's a little, I'm going to have to lint roller on this. But anyway, there we go. There we have it. The granny bag. I think this would be great for Mother's Day for all the grandmothers. You can have the grandchildren put stuff, little gifts in it, and give grandma the, you know, fill her granny bag up with some snacks and presents. Okay, well, there we have it. The granny bag, the Avon ring, and the pewter ornament. So if you like anything that you've seen in this video, you can head over to eBay, my eBay store, Lovlee GD, or you can go to Etsy, which is Lovlee Gifts and Designs. Until my next video, I hope you enjoyed this one, and bye for now.